What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get started where we left off. As you guys seen in the last video, we have the drivetrain in. Everything's nice and buttoned up. Now it's time to move on to the exhaust. We're going to ditch the crappy truck manifolds and put in our long tube headers and exhaust. Then our part came in from BMR. We got an adjustable pinhard bar, so we'll also be installing that today. So let's get on it. Alright guys, we got our dipstick tube removed. We got our spark plug wires disconnected from the top at least. Now we'll jump down to this 5-band. I've already got it broken loose, so we'll just twist that out of there. And then we can go ahead and remove our manifold. Alright guys, we got the passenger side header removed. Now we'll go ahead and take the oxygen sensor out of our passenger side header. That way we can put our wideband in right there and get this thing popped on. And there it is, we got the first header on. Now we'll go ahead and throw our dipstick in and jump on the other side. Alright, our dipstick's in place. We'll jump on over to the other side. Alright, we got our driver's side manifold off. Ready to put the new manifold on. Alright guys, we got the exhaust up and mounted. I still have to hang the very rear, so it's hanging down a little low. But it's nice and tight and everything's bolted in. So let's go ahead and start this thing up, see what it sounds like now. Alright guys, first fire up after the exhaust. Let's see if she starts. there it is. It sounds a whole lot better. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to have time for today. I ran out of time. I've got things going on this evening. Was hoping to get to the Panhard bar, but that will be tomorrow's project, and we will also tackle the brakes. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.